Have you ever wondered how a civilization could thrive for over 3,000 years in a desert environment? Well, welcome to the intriguing world of ancient Egypt, a civilization that not only survived but flourished in such challenging conditions. Now, let's begin our journey chronologically. Ancient Egypt's civilization, located along the fertile Nile River, thrived from around 3100 BCE to 332 BCE. The success of this civilization hinged on the river's annual flooding, which enriched the soil, enabling the Egyptians to grow crops and sustain a stable food supply. The society of ancient Egypt was a theocracy, governed by pharaohs, who were viewed as divine beings, the earthly embodiments of the gods. Their rule was absolute, and they exercised their power to orchestrate massive architectural projects, including the construction of the iconic pyramids. Speaking of pyramids, the Great Pyramid of Giza is a testament to the architectural prowess of the ancient Egyptians. Constructed around 2560 BCE, this colossal structure was the tallest man-made monument for over 3,800 years, standing originally at 481 feet tall. These pyramids were not mere architectural feats, they were complex tombs built to ensure the pharaoh's grand journey into the afterlife. Religion was a cornerstone of ancient Egyptian society. The belief in an intricate afterlife necessitated careful preparations, including mummification and the burial of goods and treasures with the deceased. The Book of the Dead, a guide to the afterlife filled with spells and instructions, was often placed in tombs to aid the soul on its journey. Life in ancient Egypt, however, was not all about pharaohs, pyramids, and the afterlife. It was a highly stratified society, with opportunities for social advancement, particularly in professions related to temple and building works. Agriculture, supported by the fertile soil of the Nile, was the backbone of the economy, with crops such as wheat and barley being cultivated extensively. To wrap up, ancient Egypt, with its divine pharaohs, impressive architecture, and a culture deeply rooted in religion, was a civilization that continues to fascinate us with its enduring legacy. It was a civilization that made a desert bloom, and its treasures continue to captivate us thousands of years later. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of ancient Egypt. Do share your thoughts in the comments below, and remember to subscribe for more historical deep dives. On our next journey, we will unravel the mysteries of the Indus Valley civilization. Until then, never let your curiosity fade.